Good morning, and let's give you a sense as to what you should watch out for in terms of the top 5 stocks in trade today. Well, yes, yet again, it continues to be result dominated. So let's get you up to speed with what to expect this time around on the result front. There's lots of nifty 50 companies that will be putting out their earnings. Bajaj Auto, Titan, as well as Hindustan Unilever. But there are other names as well. AU Small Finance, Bajaj Holdings, Exide, Ambuja, Tata Coffee, Lotus Labs, as well as Coromandel International, Motilal Oswal. So we'll be watching out for all of those earnings very closely. Now, for Bajaj Auto, just a quick liner there that we will be looking out this time around for the raw material cost pressures that could eat into the margins this time around. So that will very closely be eyed. We'll also be looking out for Hindustan Unilever, what they deliver by way of volume growth, what the commentary is on their overall demand. That is going to be crucial. Meantime, let's focus in on some numbers that came out post-market hours. You had Biocon that came out with its earnings yesterday. Profits came in at 254 crores versus 123 crores. So that's a massive jump of nearly 125% on year. Top line growth was healthy at 1839 crores, up about 18% versus 1,555 crores, 58 crore rupees. The operational performance as well for Biocon was steady, with the EBITDA growing about 68% to come in at 641 crore rupees versus 382 crores. And the adjusted EBITDA at Q4 stood at about 481 crores. You had the margins coming in at 26% versus 24% on a year-on-year basis, so healthy performance. Meantime, let's also focus in on United Breweries. Remember, that too came out with its earnings, and now you've got brokerages reacting. Goldman Sachs has maintained a buy with a target of 1354, saying they've updated their estimates for United Breweries post their Q4 conference call. They remain very positive on the stock and believe that the product portfolio across price point positions looks strong. They believe that United Breweries has the ability to drive the EBITDA margin expansion due to their cost control, and say that they remain positive over the medium term, although they have cut their FY22 EPS by 12% to reflect near-term challenges. Tata Communications profits at 209 crores versus a loss of 146 crores. Revenue from operations at 1578 crores versus 1488 crores. CLSA maintains a buy with a target at 1475, saying that the data business has been impacted by COVID, the stock valuation is reasonable, and the lowering of debt is comforting. And KPIT Tech profits came in at 47 crores, just about flat versus 43 crores QOQ. Revenue from operations stood at 540 crores versus about 517 crores on a sequential basis.